Have you ever imagined what it would be like to have money flowing into your account every month without having to work actively for it? For many people, this seems like a distant dream, but the truth is that building passive income streams is more accessible than you might think. In this video, you'll discover how to turn your savings into income sources that work for you, whether through real estate investments, dividends, royalties, or automated businesses. If you're between 30 and 50 years old, have already achieved some financial stability, but feel like something is missing to secure your long-term financial freedom, this content is for you. We will demystify the world of investments and show, in a clear and practical way, how you can start today to build a safer and more prosperous future. Stay tuned until the end because every minute could be the missing step toward your financial independence. Many people with a stable income, between 30 and 50 years old, don't know how to diversify their investments or turn their savings into passive income sources. The fear of losing money or the lack of technical knowledge often holds them back from investing. This can lead to dependence on a single paycheck, a lack of financial security in the future, or missed opportunities for growth. But the good news is that, with the right strategies, you can start building passive income streams safely and intelligently. And that's exactly what we're going to explore now. Before diving into the strategies, it's important to understand the difference between being successful and being prosperous. Success is often linked to temporary achievements or external recognition, such as a high position or a big salary. Prosperity, however, goes beyond that. It's about having freedom, security, and balance in all areas of life, including finances. Being prosperous means not only earning money but also knowing how to make it work for you. It's about creating a life where money is not a problem but a tool to achieve your dreams and live fully. And that's what you'll learn here, how to transition from momentary success to lasting prosperity. To begin this journey, you need to assess your life with clarity. Ask yourself, where am I financially today? What are my fixed and variable expenses? How much can I save each month? And most importantly, what are my short, medium, and long-term goals? This self-assessment is the first step to identifying where you are and where you want to go. Without clarity, it's hard to create an effective plan. So, grab a piece of paper and write down your answers. This will help you understand your starting point and set realistic goals. For example, if your goal is to generate $5,000 per month, define how long you want to achieve that and what steps you need to take to get there. A valuable tip is to use the SMART method: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals. Instead of saying, I want to make more money, set a clear goal like, I want to invest $10,000 in real estate funds over the next 12 months to generate $500 in monthly income. This gives clarity and direction to your plan. With clear goals in mind, let's move on to practical strategies for creating passive income streams. The first one is real estate investments. You don't need to buy a physical property to start. Real estate investment trusts, REITs, allow you to invest in shares of properties and receive monthly dividends. With $10,000, for example, you can buy shares in REITs and start generating passive income immediately. Another option is stock dividends. By investing in solid and consistent companies, you receive part of their profits in the form of dividends. A diversified portfolio can generate $500 to $1,000 per month in passive income, depending on the amount invested. If you have creative skills, royalties and an intellectual property are excellent options. Creating ebooks, online courses, or music can generate recurring income for years without requiring active work. For example, a well-structured online course can keep selling and generating profits long after its creation. Finally, automated businesses are ideal for those who want to scale their income. Dropshipping, affiliate marketing, or service automation allow you to earn money even while you sleep. An automated e-commerce business, for instance, can generate consistent profits with minimal ongoing effort. But before you start investing, it's important to follow some key steps to set yourself up for success. First, define your financial goals and the level of risk you're willing to take. Start with small investments and gradually diversify. Use free or low-cost tools to track your investments and avoid common mistakes, such as putting all your money into a single asset or falling for promises of high and fast returns. Remember, the secret is consistency. Small steps taken consistently lead to big results over time. On the path to prosperity, you will certainly face challenges. But here's the key: overcome challenges and turn problems into opportunities. For example, if you lose money on an investment, use that as a learning experience to make more informed decisions in the future. If you're struggling to save money, review your expenses and identify where you can cut unnecessary costs. Every obstacle is a chance to grow and become stronger. The mindset of seeing problems as opportunities is what separates those who just dream from those who take action. Another crucial point is to regularly evaluate your life with clarity. Ask yourself, am I on the right track to achieving my goals? What's working, and what needs adjustment? This constant reflection helps you stay focused and make the necessary tweaks to keep progressing. For example, if you notice that an investment isn't yielding the expected returns, you can reallocate your resources to more promising strategies. The key is to stay alert and be willing to adapt. Additionally, it's essential to turn dreams into goals and actions. Dreaming is important, but without a concrete plan, dreams can remain just ideas. Break your objectives into smaller steps and celebrate each achievement along the way. For instance, if your dream is to have a passive income of $10,000 per month, start with a goal of $1,000. Once you reach that goal, celebrate and move on to the next one. This keeps motivation high and progress steady. Another important chapter is overcoming challenges and turning problems into opportunities. In the world of investments, not everything goes as planned, and that's normal. The difference lies in how you react to these challenges. For example, if the stock market is down, see it as an opportunity to buy good stocks at lower prices. If a business didn't work out, analyze what went wrong and use that knowledge for your next project. Resilience is one of the most important qualities for those seeking financial freedom. Finally, make changes to transcend. Sometimes, small shifts in your routine or in how you perceive money can make a big difference. For example, instead of spending money on unnecessary things, invest in financial education or tools that help automate your business. Transcending means going beyond the obvious and finding innovative ways to reach your goals. It could be learning a new skill, exploring a different market, or even changing your mindset about money. Did you know that Warren Buffett, one of the greatest investors in the world, built his fortune through dividends and compound interest? Passive income is the secret of great investors. Remember, the first step is the most important. Start today and reap the rewards in the future. Today, you learned that it's possible to create passive income streams through real estate, dividends, royalties, and automated businesses. With planning and discipline, you can secure your financial freedom and build a prosperous life. Do you want to boost your extra income quickly and efficiently? Now you can maximize your results with Silent Subliminals Money, the tool that reprograms your mind to attract more money and financial opportunities. With powerful subliminal messages, this product helps you develop an abundance mindset and make smarter decisions to generate extra income. Click the link below to get Silent Subliminals Money and start transforming your financial life today. If you enjoyed this content, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next videos on financial education. Leave a comment below on which strategy you want to try first or share your questions. Let's build a more secure financial future together. Let me know if you need any adjustments.